myth, legend. Umundu warange yangu Ngugi wa Thiong'o. Amangana gege, to those in authority, Ngugi wa Thiong'o was a thorn in the flesh, a relentless agitator, often dismissed as a rebel without a cause. But to his countrymen and the world, he was far more: a hero, an ambassador of conscience, a prophet, and a literary giant without peer. Iyo mundu waranga Ngugi wa Thiong'o. Na nasaya imbanze siboni. Zio korora. Tijira someli ko waliri. Evangeli y'umwami. Ewe moyo mwayo. Nasaya narora. Nina shetani yanage simoni. Nanga somele kivangeli.
Kuko warende kumihiga jijo ja 100 lizinde. Izimoni zikiroraza burai kana.
Izimoni zirora burai kabisa. Mihiga 100 na. Hapana 100 peke yake. 100 na. Izimoni zirora burai kabisa.